Dear students, let us see what is an inequality. In an equation, left hand side, right hand side, both are equal. So you are using equal sign in between left hand side and right hand side. But in inequality, left hand side may be less than right hand side, or left hand side may be greater than right hand side. This less than, greater than symbols are used in inequalities. I will explain a life example for the inequality. A person wants to conduct a conference for the college students. He booked a hall which consists of seating capacity for 100 students. If the maximum capacity is 100, then we can occupy even 50 students, even 30 students. Even you can occupy 75 students or 80 students or 90 students. But the number must be less than 100. So this is the basic inequality. So we call this inequality as x less than or equal to 100. Understand? Let us consider another case of the same situation. The person is going to conduct the conference, have to spend money. Also, he needs some money as a profit for him. For that, what is the expense, minimum expense he need? If you question about it, he may say minimum 50 students are required so that I can make the expenses. Also, I can get some minimum amount for me. He may say like that. That means he should get minimum 50 students to conduct the conference. So, there are two situations here. The hall has maximum capacity for 100 students. He requires minimum 50 students. This can be written in inequality as 50 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 100. Number of students must be between 50 and 100. This is the basic example for inequality. Now, to draw an inequality, first you should draw the equation of the line given, line or any function given. First you have to draw as equation, and then you have to shade according to the inequality given. First, let us learn how to construct a line in a graph. Consider the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. To draw a line, minimum you need 2 points. For that, first put x is equal to 0 in the given equation. You get y is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 point on the line must be a 0, 2. Now you see the point for that line. Next, again in the same equation, put y is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 3. Therefore, the another point is b 3, 0. Now you see the point on the graph. Now if you join a and b, you get the required line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Similarly, let us change the given line as 6x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now let us find the points for the line. In the same manner, if you put x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, you get the 2 points a 0, 2 and b 1, 0. Now you can see the new line 6x plus 3y is equal to 6. Next, consider another line. Let us change the line as 6x plus y is equal to 6. Now, again by putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, you get the points a 0, 6 and b 1, 0. Now, let us learn how to draw the inequality graph. First, let us consider an inequality. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 1. To draw this inequality, you have to first draw the line 2x plus y is equal to 1 as you learned earlier. Now, take the point 0, 0. Why 0, 0? Because that is easy to substitute. That's why first you prefer 0, 0. So take that point 0, 0 and substitute this in the inequality 2x plus y greater than or equal to 1. Now after substitution you will get left hand side 0. So 0 greater than or equal to 1 is the result. But this is false. Because the result is false for 0, 0, the shading will not come on the side which contain 0, 0. Therefore, you have to shade the region on the other side of the line which do not contain the point 0, 0. Now we observe the shading. It is given in red color. Now, let us consider the second inequality. X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 2. For this one also, first you have to draw the line x plus 2y is equal to 2. Now again, consider the point 0, 0 and substitute in the inequality x plus 2y greater than or equal to 2. You will get 0 greater than or equal to 2, which is false. Because the result is false, you have to shade the region on the other side of the line which do not contain 0, 0. Now observe the shading which is given in green color. So green color shading is the result for the inequality x plus 2y greater than or equal to 2. Next, consider the third inequality. X plus y less than or equal to 8. So here it is given less than or equal to. Now as usual, first draw the line x plus y is equal to 8. Now you take the point 0, 0 and substitute in the inequality x plus y less than or equal to 8. You will get the result 0 less than or equal to 8, which is obviously true. Because the result is true, you have to shade on the side where 0, 0 is present. Now you observe the blue color shading, which is the result of x plus y less than or equal to 8. Now let us see how to get the solution for two or more inequalities. If the two lines are given, the solution is the common shaded portion of the two inequalities. Remember, if there are two inequalities, the common shaded portion is the required solution. Now let us consider the inequality 1 and 2 given in the screen. Now one inequality is in red color and another inequality is given in green color. Now the shaded portion which contains both red and green color is called as the solution of the inequalities. If the problem is for the first and the third inequalities, we get the solution as red color and blue color shaded region. That is the region which contains both red and blue color. If the problem is for three inequalities, that is all the three, first, second and third, then the solution is the region which contains red color, green color and blue color, all the three shades. That region is called as the solution. Now you see the solution is highlighted as a triangle.